Let's read together. Bob Books. Book 1. Matt hid. Sight words. Ran, saw, two. Matt hid. How cute. Matt hid. Sam saw Matt. Sam ran to Matt. Sam saw Matt. Sam ran to Matt. Dot hid.
See, Sam saw Matt. Sam ran to Matt. Dot hid. Look at Dot, he's hiding.
Sam and Matt saw Dot.
Wow, Sam and Matt saw Dot. So they found Dot.
Sam and Matt ran to Dot.
Wow, all the friends are together. Sam and Matt ran to Dot.
Matt, Sam, and Dot hid.
Now 3 of them, Matt, Sam, and Dot, hid.
Ted saw a dog.
Ted saw a dog.
Ted ran to the dog.
Lovely, cute. And look at Sam, Matt, and
Dot.
Dot. They are watching Ted. Ted ran to the dog.
Ted saw Matt, Sam, and Dot. Now they all 4 are together again. The end. Let's read book 2. Hop.
I like to hop.
I like to hop.
You also like to hop?
Yes. Now the sight words are can, jump, on. Hop. Sam can hop. Look at Sam, he's so cute and he's triangle. Hop on top, Sam.
Hop on top, Sam. He's hopping on the top.
Sam can jump.
He's jumping from the tree trunk.
Sam can jump on top of a rock.
Yes, look at Sam. Sam can jump on top of a rock.
Do not drop in the globe.
Do not drop in the globe. He is hopping and jumping.
Sam slid plop.
Plop. It's a sound word.
Can Sam get out of the globe?
Can Sam get out of the globe?
can jump on a log. Jump, Sam, jump.
Sam can jump on a log. Jump, Sam, jump.
Okay, Sam.
Now he is on the log.
And he's
And
safe.
what is a log? Log is a piece of... Yes, it's a tree trunk piece or a piece of wood. The wooden log.
The end. Now let's read book 3. The jet. Sideways. A fly has. The jet. A bird can fly. A buck can fly. A bird can fly.
Look at the bird, it's flying. A bird can fly.
Can Matt fly? Matt is trying to fly, but he can't.
Yes.
Matt has a car. A car cannot fly. Matt's car cannot fly.
Can your car fly?
No,
Can a car fly?
no.
A car cannot fly.
Matt has a truck. A truck cannot fly. Matt has a jet.
Can a jet fly?
Yeah, a jet can fly. A jet can fly. Matt can fly in a jet.
Wow.
Now Matt is going to fly in the jet. The end.
Bye-bye, Matt.
Bye-bye, Matt. See you after your trip. Bye.